Good morning. Welcome to Exponents Introduction. Today we're going to go over some of the basics of exponents that we have talked about in class so far. So we're going to be using this example, 4 squared, or 4 to the second power, and we're going to look at some of these questions here. So first question says, what does this problem mean? So describe what this problem means. 4 to the second power, remember that means 4 times 4. We want to write it in factored form. That's what I just wrote. So 4 times 4 is how we write it in factored form. What is the value? The value, remember, is kind of the answer, right? What it actually equals. So the value is 16. 4 times 4 is 16. Back to this question, we could write it in words. We want to multiply 4 times 4 2 times. Kind of a lot of repeats there, but that's sort of the basics. And then which are each of these pieces? So we have base, which is our big number, first one. So our base is 4 in this case. Then we have exponent. So the exponent is the little number. So our exponent is 2 in this case. The power is kind of the whole thing. So we can kind of think of this whole piece as our power. So our power is going to be that whole chunk, 4 squared, or 4 to the second power. And then the value is what it actually equals. And we did that in number 3, which is 16. So it actually equals 16. Next part. Again, just a little bit of basics here. So, right, using exponents. We have 3 times 3 times 3. This is currently written in factored form, and we want to write it with exponents. So our base is 3. That's the number we're repeating. And there's 3 of them, so it's 3 cubed, or 3 to the third power. Number 2, write in factored form. So we're doing the opposite. 4 squared is going to be 4 times 4. Our base is 4, our exponent is 2, so we write it twice. Question number 3 says, what is any number to the first power? And I'm going to write itself. So 2 to the first power equals 2. 3 to the first power equals 3. 7 to the first power equals 7. And so on. Question number 4, what is any number to the 0 power? So this is that rule we always have to remember. Any number, I'm going to use x to represent any number, to the 0th power is equal to 1. No matter what number, right? The only thing that we can't use is 0, but any other number to the 0 power equals 1. What is the value of x to the negative 3 if x equals 4? So this one here, we got a lot going on. This is where we're using our x value and replacing the x in this problem. So instead of x, I'm going to put 4, and then to the negative third power. So that's the evaluation part, right? We have to replace the x with the value we're told. Now, we need to solve this, right? Remember, negative exponents become fractions. So this is going to become 1 over 4 to the third power, which we could write as 1 over 4 times 4 times 4, which is going to give us 1 over 64. So remember, whenever you see a negative exponent, you should be thinking, I know it's going to be a fraction. All right, that's it for today. Good luck.